If you're added to Google Classroom classes and you don't want to receive notifications for them, you can turn them off. What you need to do is go up into the three bars in the top left corner and scroll all the way down. I'm going to move this to settings. In settings, again, you can turn on notifications for certain classes you want to receive. If you don't want any notifications at all from any class, you can just turn them totally off. Now, I have certain classes I want to receive notifications on, so I'm going to turn those on. At the bottom, you'll see class notifications, turn on and off. You can click there, and from there you can turn off the classes you do not want to receive notifications from. Also, you may want to take those classes off of your Google Calendar. When you add classrooms in your Google Classroom, you also have them automatically added to your Google Calendar. To remove these, you're going to look over to the left under My Calendars. You'll see here I have a calendar that I don't want. There's two things you can do. One is you can just remove it from this list, so it'll stay in there if you want to add it back later. So click on those three dots and hit Hide from List. If you want to, you can also add the calendar to your calendar showing here. So if you click here, what will happen is any assignment that's due or anything like that will automatically show up right on your calendar so you can follow along. Let's say you want to just remove it all together. To do that, hover over the calendar and click on the X. You'll see a box that pops up, gives you the option to remove the calendar. When you do that, it's removed. You can always add it back later. There is a way to do that. If you have any questions, please let me know.